Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So we're going to change the background colors in a table. So we need to enter the HTML to draw the table shown on the left into Notepad. So it needs to look like this. So you can copy all of this, but try to make your own table. So practice writing the table code. Table, and there were two rows. Table row. Table row. So now I have two rows in there, and I have table data. Table data. So we're gonna have four of them because I saw there were four cells. So now just paste that there. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the first one said cell 1. So I can just copy that part. Copy, and then we put in that one, and this one should just be cell 3 and 4, and let's see if we have the same as them. Okay, so it seems like they put theirs next to each other, which actually makes more sense, because you want the cells to be right next to each other, so if it confuses you that I put everything underneath each other, it's fine that you put the table data cell 1, cell 2 next to each other in the code. And it seems like we need to have a border of 1. So we say border equals 1 and cell padding equals to 10 and cell spacing must equal to 5. Okay, and now you can see in table row we see that we use the code background color, and then we specify what it should be. Okay, so we say background color, and again this is American color, so not the normal British U in there, and we just specify that we're going to use color code FF0000. Okay, and this is going to be for all of these cells, so you can actually change an individual one as well. Let's say I wanted to put it in cell 3 there, then you can just put in their background color, so it's going to make that individual table data into that color as well. So we can also make it maybe, there we go. So I'm just going to save this, save as, and for now I'm just going to save this as, what did it say we should save it as? Background color 1.htm. Okay, so color1.htm, and I'll just save this on my desktop, and I say save. Okay, so I go to desktop. Where did I save it? Oh, there we go. So I just opened that. Now you can see that I made it green. So it's not what they said we had to do. It's just I just wanted to show you that you can put this line of code in any of these cells. Background color. So now I've put it in cell 4. So if I update this, you can see there. So you can use this to show that answers were correct or incorrect if you made a HTML test, for example. But yeah, so I need to do that for this. All we needed to do was just make cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, and cell 4, and then it had to be colored in cell 1 and cell 2. Okay, save the file, we've done that, and go back to the HTML and select the text background color by highlighting it, and cut it and paste it into the position shown here. Okay, so we have to do this for this assignment. Okay, so we're just going to cut this whole code there. You see that I also include the space there. Cut it, and then they said we put it before cell 1. So right there. So now only cell 1 will be colored in. And let's see, the background color is now applied to a single cell. Save the file using the file name background color 2. Okay, so let's do that. So file, save as, background color 2. I saved it, and go back to the HTML to make sure and make your own adjustment to make the whole table have a red background. Okay, so to make the whole table background red, so we're going to use this. First, you can think to yourself, where would we put that? If I put that there in front of cell 3's table data, only cell 3 would be colored in. If I put it in front of the table row of this one, then, oh, I see now, I also messed something up there. That should go away. And table row, oh, there, just for good measure. Okay, and yeah, so we want to make the whole table. We want red, so you just add that to our list of things over here. Now, press save. Okay, so I realize that I have been trying to open background color 1, and we need to open background color 2, and then you'll see it will color in the whole table. So I didn't think there for a while, but yeah, it won't update here because we have table 1 in here, which has a different code than background color 2. So just make sure that you open that one if you want to check if you're correct. And yeah, and just make sure that for the codes, you just say right click, open with Notepad, make it nice and big, keep control in your keyboard, print screen, and just paste it as activity 21.11. Paste it in there, and we crop, and you just do this for all the code and all the code and final products. Well, actually we just want the code, we don't want all of the other parts of the notepad. Only want the code, and just put those together, and then you just put in what the result of table 1 was. Crop. Put that there. There we go. And now we can see that is table 1. And then, so maybe we should just say what table this is. This is for background color 1.html, and we can just undo that, or maybe make it bold. You can decide, as long as it stands out that this is for background color 1.html, and then you'll do the same thing for background color 2.html. Oh, we saved it as htm, so just put that in there and just make the screenshots, and then we have everything we need. Okay, I hope this video helps. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.